Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. Today I'd like to talk about the US dollar, Japanese yen, and about a newly formed support which is in here. This is a support which I already published in the members area in my trading course. It is at 161.14 and it is based on two things. One is a volume profile setup. The other one is a price action setup. So let's start with the volume profile setup. Let's take a look at this 30-minute chart, and on this zone where the price was going upwards aggressively. If you look in the volume distribution here, you can notice this heavy volume node. This is telling us that those were buyers who are adding to the long positions here, pushing the price upwards, and for this reason, because those buyers were active here, this heavy volume zone is important for them. So when the price makes pullback here, if it makes a pullback here, chances are that the buyers from this place will want to defend this heavy volume zone and push the price upwards from there again. Now, there are two things here that made me decide for this heavy volume zone, because as you can see, it doesn't really stand out that strongly. So the first thing is that strong aggressive movement started from this heavy volume zone, showing me the aggressivity of the buyers. And the second thing, that's actually the second setup, it is a price action setup. If you look here and in here, the price was reacting to this level in the past. That means it was a resistance, right? It was a strong resistance in the past, and when the price blew past that resistance, it became a support. All right, so that's another thing that adds strength to this volume cluster. If it was only this volume cluster, I wouldn't retrade it. But because there is that combo of this price action setup, this strong buying activity commencing from this heavy volume zone and that heavy volume zone, that's why I picked this level, and that's why I want to trade this. All right, now currently on the markets, the volatility is not that high, and this is not really giving us too many trading signals, but this is quite typical for summer, so just be aware of that. One thing that does move the markets even when there's summer is macro news. So if you look at the calendar, then today we have this news, Chair Powell testifies, and tomorrow we have the inflation and unemployment claims. Especially the inflation, that's a very important news that I think will definitely move the markets and that will definitely create some increased volatility. So be careful around trading during the news. I personally won't be trading in the macro news and post macro news volatility. All right. And by the way, on Friday, there are also a couple of macro news, but the strongest news this week is definitely the inflation. All right. So be careful about that. Otherwise, I think that if the level gets hit, there is a solid chance that that'll be a nice reaction. Now, let me show you one more thing before I wrap the video up. If you go to my website, which is traderdale.com, and go here to trading course and tools, then in here, I'm running a special Independence Day sale where you can purchase my best educational and indicator packs, which are the volume profile pack and the order flow pack. There are videos which you can watch. The videos will show you everything that's included in those packs. In short, the volume profile pack will teach you everything about the volume profile trading, and the order flow pack will teach you everything about day trading with order flow. Both packs also include all the indicators that you are going to need, which are the volume profile and order flow indicators. If you want both the volume profile and order flow pack together in one special discounted bundle, you can get them for a limited time in here at the bottom of this page. All right, so that's about that. That's about today's video. I hope you guys found it useful, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading.